Welcome to the Totally Design channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you simply just want to come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button and you'll be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now let's get into this video. Hey YouTube family, it's Kaysa from Totally Designs, and I'm going to be making some pearl earrings, and I'm going to be using these charms that I have here. I want to go ahead and show you what I already made. These are quite striking. I love the way those turned out. These are super cute, y'all. Now, I am going to be opening up my spacer beads because I am going to use those on the project as well. Okay. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to start off with this starfish. It's just a plain little starfish, but it's going to be really, really cute once I combine it with the pearl. Okay. I'm going to get that together there. We're going to put the spacer bead on the bottom. Take that pearl and do that. Then we're going to wind up doing that as well. Okay. So simple. Going to form a loop. Going to go and twist it as much as I can. Then I can either decide to leave it just like that, or I can embellish it with some wire wrap. And guys, I want to do wire wrap because, you know, that's something I love to do. Okay, so we're going to take that, we're going to wire it down like that, but not so much to affect the starfish from dangling. Okay, so we don't want to affect that. All right, so I think one time is good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. I'm going to make sure that the wire is fully covered or placed inside of the earring. All right, I am done with that. I'm going to go ahead and attach our ear hook to that. These do not take long to make, y'all. So if you need something quick, or you want to make some quick money makers, just get you a set of pearls, add you some charms at the bottom, and they will sell. That is so cute, y'all. Let me go ahead and do the other one. Okay, make sure we have the right one. And I always want to make sure that I put the hook on the right side. Okay, same thing. These are so simple, guys. You can make these within a few minutes. They don't take long at all. Go ahead and form that loop. Again, I'm going to tighten it as much as I can going around the loop. Alrighty. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it down. Here we are. Go. I just pushed it in a little bit because the wire pushed it up a little bit, y'all. I'm going to take that and I'm going to wrap it one more time. There we go. All right, I'm going to go and push this over. Okay, I'm going to cut it a little bit more so that it will not stick anybody. There we go. All right. There we are. Done. I just made me a pair of earrings in 5 minutes. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous, y'all. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make some more. I do have some leftover wire, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And this time, I'm going to be using these. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'll make them a little bit different. I have these over here. I'm going to add a little bit of rose gold to it. Ooh, that's cute. Alrighty. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. There we are. I'm gonna wrap. I'm gonna take it down and wrap some more. But I think this one, I'm not gonna wrap it all the way down. I'm just gonna wrap it around here. Just to do a little bit of something different. Okay. And there we are. Okay. I like the pearls. You can be so creative with them. And these are going to sell really well. And I can sell these for like $4 or $5. Even $3 if I wanted to. Okay. Oh guys, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's amazing what you can do with charms and how they enhance everything, or just a little bit of wire, you know? Okay, we're gonna do our next one. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Okay, we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one. Alrighty, and straighten that wire out. Gonna make a loop. There we go. Loop, 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 loop. There you are. Then we're going to take it and do it around the bead right there, and then I am done. Cut that. There we are. Ooh, these are so cute, y'all. Now, what I want to do is I want to fix this at the bottom because it's not twirling like I want it to. There we go. Simple fix. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Oh my goodness. Need to make a pair for myself. So guys, I am really just making earrings, striking the iron while it's hot, while creativity is up. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna make another one using these right here. Okay. All right. So I need to cut some more wire. Always cover your wire, guys, when you're cutting it. You don't want it to fly in your eye. Okay, I am just trying to make sure I'm getting the same length. Okay, and there we go. There we go. And again, I'm using 18 gauge wire. I love the way it works with the earrings. I love using it. All right, so we're gonna take that and there we go. Now I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna use pearl, but I was thinking about maybe doing this with that. Nah, I'll just do the I'll do the pearl. And then I'll add in this on top. Or you know what? I'm gonna give it a little bit of more of a cuter look. Ooh, guys, that is so cute. Okay, we're gonna put this on top. I think I'm gonna add this on the top of it, and then we're gonna see what I do with it. Oh, those are an amazing pair of earrings. I can see it already. Okay. All right, there we go. I'm gonna do that loop. Now I'm just going to decide what I want to do with it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it down. Then I'm gonna wrap it downward to about right here. Yep. And instead of me going, well, let's see. Do I want to take it down a little bit? Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and do that. Take it down. Wrap it around. Yep, I think I'll do that. I think I like that idea. Alrighty. Now, we're going to cut that. There we go. We're done with this particular earring right here, and then we're just going to go and do the other one. Oh my gosh, guys, that is cute. That is so cute. Oh, guys, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay. Let me finish the other one. Then I'm going to show you all three again. Oh, that came out amazing. So I'm sort of burning the midnight oil. Well, it's a little past midnight right now. Because what happens with me is that once I start designing, I can't stop. And so it's like I'm on a shriek. So I'm gonna fix that right quick, y'all. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. Make sure I do it the same way I did the other one. Alrighty. All right, this will be the last earring. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to my writers. All right, I'm going to finish this out real quick. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other earring. I'm going to take it and wrap it around. I'm going to take it and wrap it down. Okay. Wrap it around this part of the earring. Then I'm going to take it one more time and wrap it right here. Wrap it one more time. There we go. There we are. And we are done. So I'm going to alrighty. There we go. Push that down. I'm gonna these are beautiful, guys. This turned out really, really great. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna look at those. These are amazing. Oh my goodness. So those are the 3 pair of earrings I made in about 15 minutes or so. These are wonderful. I think these are amazing. Let me just do it a little bit closer. Let me zoom out, y'all. But look at that. Let me just raise them up for you. Isn't that gorgeous? In under 20 minutes. All right, well, thank you for watching. And as always, happy beading, and I'll see you in the next video.